Hello everyone! So for this week's discussion post, we were asked to select one of the 4 scenarios presented to us, and I chose scenario number 1. It was about Carol Johnson switching her high school algebra class from a regular classroom to an online course. It also stated that she was going to meet with her students before the class started, and then it asked us to share some organizational factors that she should consider before starting her course. So our book states that issues regarding the structure and organization of a course are highly important. Good organization will allow students to more effectively learn so that they are spending their time focusing on the content and not so much on where to turn in papers or when things are due. So all of the organizational things are already explained so they understand and know prior to the course starting, so when the course begins, they're able to focus on their learning. So 3 main organizational factors that I found in our book were communication, the first one, and it is very important for Carol to decide how she's going to communicate with her students and how they will be able to communicate with her. So she could do it through phone, through messages, or through email, or through a general discussion board, where they will be able to ask and answer questions. Our book explained that some people say that they will respond within 24 hours, so she has to explain all of these expectations to her students so that there can be good communication and the students know the expectation for that. Another thing that she should consider for the organization of this course are the materials and the assignments. So is she going to use the same materials that she used in her regular classroom? If so, how will these materials be available to the students? Or how are they going to get them? And so she has to think about how she's going to teach her courses and what activities she's going to do, thinking about the materials that the students have access to. Also, is she going to use videos or print or audio to teach her class? All of these organizational factors in regard to how the content will be shared and how the students will be able to practice with it and what they will be able to do with the content should all be something that she explains to her students prior to the course. And then the last thing is something that our book stated that was very important, which was the syllabus. And the syllabus contains all of the schedules, the calendar, the expectations for the students, for the teachers' grades, how she will score things. So the syllabus is a very important part of the organization of her course. And so these 3 things are very essential to organizing her course: the communication, the materials, and the assignments, and the syllabus. So thank you.